If your vehicle is showing a P0480 code, in this video, I'll explain what it means and how you can go about fixing it. What is a P0480 code? It stands for Cooling Fan 1 Control Circuit Malfunction. In simple terms, the engine computer sees the temperature rising, sends a signal to the cooling fan to turn on, and something in the circuit isn't responding the way it should. The voltages don't match what the computer expects, so it sets this code. Troubleshooting is required to find out why. Possible causes of a P0480 code. The first thing to check is for blown fuses or faulty relays. For example, on a 2005 Ford Taurus, you'll find a cooling fan low relay, a cooling fan high relay, and two related fuses. A quick way to test a relay is to see if there's another one with the same part number. Often the horn relay is the same. You can swap them, press the horn, and if it works, the relay is good. The next possible cause is a wiring problem. This could be an open circuit, a short, or just a bad connection. Take a close look at the wires going to the cooling fan. Make sure the connectors are tight and not corroded, and look for any damage to the wiring itself. Another common cause of this code is a bad coolant temperature sensor. The computer relies on this sensor to know the engine temperature. Once the engine reaches a certain point, it tells the fan to switch on. But if the sensor is giving the computer incorrect information, the fan may not turn on when it should. Many vehicles have more than one coolant temperature sensor, so it's a good idea to consult a diagram of your engine to identify all sensor locations. An old-school way to test the sensor is by jumping the wires going back to the computer. The coolant temperature sensor is basically a thermistor. It changes resistance as the engine warms up. The computer sends it 5 volts, and based on that resistance, it knows the engine temperature. If you jumper the wires, the computer will think the engine is overheating, and the fans should turn on. If they do, it's a strong sign the sensor is faulty. Just be careful with this method, and don't leave it jumped for long. If you've checked everything else, no blown fuses, no bad relays, and the coolant temperature sensor is working, then the next likely culprit is the cooling fan itself. These fans do wear out over time. There are several ways to test them, and there are plenty of good videos out there showing how. But if everything else checks out, chances are the fan is bad and needs to be replaced. Finally, some vehicles also have a fan control module. Not every car has one, but if yours does and it fails, it can cause this code to appear. So that's the last thing to check. And that's pretty much it. If you've got something to add, drop it in the comments below. If this video was useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.